What's good? What's good, guys? How we doing? Talk to me here. Talk to me. Guys, talk to me. How we doing? Morning. Sahib, History Pop, Funny Show TV, Shakir, Top G, Logan Smith. What's good? Talk to me. I gotta check in on you guys. I gotta check in. I gotta check in. Hold on. Let me let me mute this. Papa Gene, what's good? I got my shades on. Do you know why? I look cool in them. Alright. This is the news we got today. We had 8:30 news. We had core PCE, employment, and unemployment claims. Not really a big move that I was kind of anticipating. I'm not, guys, I got no trades today. No trades today. We have earnings later. I do believe I think it's Apple and Microsoft, or was Microsoft yesterday? Let's see. Earnings. Who's got the earnings today, guys? I know Apple. I know, guys, who's the other earnings? Apple and who else today? Help me out here, chat. You guys are supposed to know this too. Now I gotta go look it up. I can't because I'm gonna lose my credibility. Who else has earnings today? Apple and earnings today. Let's see. Who do we got? Oh yeah, Microsoft. Oh no, that was yesterday. Is it Google? I need to check. I need to check this, guys, because I need to know. Because I'm confused now. Now I'm confused. I posted it here. Oh, okay. We have Apple and Amazon today. Apple and Amazon. After hours. Apple and Amazon. Had to check. Apple and Amazon. I passed all accounts from your giveaway? Frozen Flame Gaming. You animal. So proud of you, bro. Oh, hold on. Frozen Flame Gaming, I'm so proud of you, bro. Who else is in here? Sabrina, what's good? F around and find out. Hold on. Guys, this isn't a new mic and this isn't a new camera yet, but look. Right now, look, it came. Guys, look at this bad boy. I don't even know how to use it, chat. This is what I've been figuring out. That's why I wasn't going to stream today, because I'm currently still on the Mac, guys. So this is the plan. We're going to be using this Sony, right? Wait till the quality. I ordered off Amazon. I ordered a stand, right? Well, it's not stand. It goes on your desk, right? And it's like an arm. And like I can maneuver the camera with the arm. Dude, this thing is freaking badass, bro. Look at this. Yeah, this came yesterday. And then take a look at this mic. And now I ordered a mic stand too. Look at this mic. This is a Rode mic. Look at the quality on this bad boy. This thing's like, I'm not even kidding, guys. This is like 10 pounds. So I ordered a mic stand. So the mic is going to be on a stand kind of like this. And it's going to be on an arm. And then this camera is also going to be on an arm. Follow me here, chat. Follow me here. Are you seeing? This is going to be, we're going to have this is professional. This is the mic. It's going to be on an arm on my standing desk. Also, we have the camera coming with an arm, which could probably be like here. Are you seeing the professional upgrades? Are you seeing this, chat? We're currently still on the Mac. I have the PC hardwired in, so we're currently still on the horrible Wi-Fi off the Mac. So the game plan is, chat, is I have to get a memory card for this, because it didn't come with a memory card. So I can't do anything. I quite literally can't do anything until I get a memory card for this. And then I got to get some doohickey that like goes from the camera to the computer. Guys, this is a whole thing. You guys got to remember this, okay? You guys got to remember this. I'm a trader. This whole streaming stuff is very new to me. So, like, I'm buying doohickeys for this camera that I got to go into the computer, and I'm watching YouTube, and I'm stressed out because I don't know what I'm doing, and I got to, like, buy things, and it's just, like, a whole thing other than trading. Are you guys understand? It's a lot. I love you guys, but I'm learning here. This is the new camera. The quality is going to be great, guys. And I've been messing around with this thing, and it's pretty badass. I will say that. It's cool. And yeah, the mic is cool. So that's where we're at. I'm going to continue to play with this today and figure it out. I got to order some stuff off Amazon. Yes. So hopefully we'll have everything running. Guys, a lot, like this, like I'm learning here. You guys got to bear with me. So I'm getting this up and running. I'm getting this stuff from Amazon coming that I just shared with you guys. Let's see. Who's 6EPO3? Yo, F around and find out. I was eyeing 6E, but let's pull the charts up. Let's pull the charts up. Okay, morning, Jeremiah. F around and find out. Let's pull the charts up real quick. Okay, so this is what I was eyeing. Oh wow, yeah, this is. Obviously, NQ probably going to come down and rebalance that extremely huge move yesterday. Like, that move was insane. We'll see. Could drive deeper into this fair value gap here, and then based off earnings, we'll see. But let's see what I was looking at. There's no trades today, guys. I'm not trading today. I wasn't going to stream. I wanted to come on here and say, just say what up. So 6E, this is what I was looking at. No red candles, and also, another thing. I didn't like that we opened, guys, if you look, no red, this was a PO3. This was an A plus PO3, except for the fact that you see this 22 candle. This candle opened. If this 22 candle opens above the 18, do you see? You really want it to open inside. If it opens above it, look, as you can see, we opened above the close of here. You don't want that. You don't want that. That's a no-go for me. So I didn't end up entering on this trade. I let this trade go. But it played out. But you see, I really would want the candle to not open up here. I want it to open it below. Like, let me show you an example here. Ready? I'll show you another example. Ready? I'll show you one. Hold on. Here we go. Perfect example. Perfect example. Okay. Notice the difference. F around and find out. Notice the difference. Same setup. Very similar, right? Notice where this 22 candle opens. Below the opening of this candle. Do you see that? F around and find out. F around and find out. You're doing great. But do you see the difference of why? You see the difference of this 22 candle and the previous and the one that's currently how it opened? Do you see how we opened here? These are all crucial things. I know you may think, oh, it's so stupid that it. No, this matters. This matters. Do you see how we opened below the open of this candle? No, well, I mean the high of this candle. The open's down here. The high of this candle. Do you see how we opened below it? F around and find out. Do you see the difference? Chat, let me know that your understanding of the difference of this trade and the one that has to open below the high or the close of this candle. It has to open below it or inside of it. Correct, Shakir. Correct. If it opens above or outside, no good. No good. Do not take it. It's going to be a fake out. Listen, the fact that it worked out is just like, it's a rare occasion. But normally, on my data, if you take that trade, you're going to get stopped out. You're going to get stopped out. But it just happened to work out in the favor now. So this kind of was a lucky win. But just put that in your notes. That's extremely crucial. Like, yeah, this trade happened to work out. Like, look, we're about to take the low. We just took Asia session low. But the only reason why I didn't take this trade is because of that candle right there. If this candle closed, look, if it opened inside, like right here. Chat, look, if we opened here, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. And anyway, you could have put your stop. Look, guys, however you want to manage the trade, you could either, if you want to get a higher RR trade, guys, this initial entry, like, okay, let's go through it. This initial entry, ready? I'm gonna teach you guys something. I'm gonna teach you some sauce. If you want to get some higher RR trades, right? Say this candle. Just follow me here, chat. Follow me. Follow me here. Follow me. If this candle, the 22 candle, opened inside of 18, right? And you longed it, right? Your stop could have been above this wick, right? to get a little bit tighter entry. So you would have been stopped on your first entry, right? You would have been stopped, but it's okay. Now you wait for the 2 a.m. candle. The 2 a.m. candle, now it swept this session's liquidity and now this session's liquidity. Now you could re-enter again, stops above this high, and then target either this low, or you could play out the full expansion, the 6 a.m. candle, and then you could wait for the 10 a.m. you could wait for this other candle as well. This next 4-hour candle, you could play that candle out as well. However you want to manage it, guys. You can manage the trade however you want. I'm not going to tell you to do that. You guys got to be able to manage the trades how you see fit. But that would be like a secondary entry. Like if this opened inside, right? Just follow me. We opened inside, wicked this session's liquidity, and then you would have longed, right? But your stop would have been above this high, the wick high, okay? To get a little bit higher RR, you would have been stopped on that trade, right? Then you could have had a potential second entry. You're either entering on one of these two candles. It's either the 22 or the 2 a.m. candle. You do not enter on any candles other than the 22 or the 2 a.m. candle. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? You do not enter on any candles except for the 22 or the 2 a.m. 4-hour candle. Does it have to be inside the bands? Listen, I prefer it to be outside of the bands. And guys, another big thing, okay? You do not take any trades. Look at me. I'm gonna look at you guys. You do not take any trades unless there's red folder news. I'll repeat it again to make myself very clear. You do not take any trades unless there's red folder news. You will get chopped up. You will get spit out. It is not A+ conditions. You only trade red folder news. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Do you guys understand that? Do we wait for candle close? Yes. You always wait for the 4-hour candle to close. You always wait for a candle close. You do not enter if it's 30 seconds before the candle closes. You do not enter if it's 10 seconds before the candle closes. You wait for the freaking candle to close. And if you don't, I'm going to yell at you. News on that pair. You only care about USD news. USD news. USD. You go to this. Look. Look. If you guys aren't, make a Forex Factory account. You see my account right here? You make this Forex Factory account. You filter it. Look. This is what you're going to do. I'm going to put you guys onto some serious sauce right now. I'm going to put you guys on. If news time has passed, Shakir, you're entering between 22 and 2 a.m. So the news time won't have passed. You're entering well before the news. Do you understand? We're entering on the 22 candle or the 2 a.m. candle. So news is typically at 8:30 or 10, or in between 8 a.m. to 10. So you're going to be well before the news. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay? Look, you go to this, you make a forexfactory.com account. You go to filter, you filter expected impact. You go to red folder, you click all of them. You switch everything off except for USD. You don't care about the rest. You care about USD news. Okay? That's it. You flick everything else off. You don't care about the other news. You just want the USD news. What about the green candle that printed? Is that a factor? Big D, yes. This is also... Big D, great job. Yes. The fact that these candles are green, invalid. They have to be red. Do you see how we're getting multiple confluences here? Look, all of our let me show you here. Ready? All of our EMAs are stacking, right? All of our EMAs are stacking. We're below the 200 EMA. This EMA is crossing over the 200. This opened outside of this candle's high. No good. Also, the candles are green. No good. That's two. That's two reasons why you don't take the trade. Let's go to a good model. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna show you an A+ trade. I'm gonna show you A+ trade. Ready? I'm gonna put you guys on some serious sauce right now, dude. Look, and even this is what you guys gotta do. I even journaled it. Look, unemployment claims this day. Do you see what I do, guys? Do you see what makes me profitable? Do you see what I go back and do? This is what I do. Do you see what makes me a profitable trader? Are you seeing this? These are all my journals right here. Unemployment claims. Ready? Look. You have these fair value gaps printing. We're outside the Bollinger Bands. All our EMAs are stacking. We're below the 200 EMA. The 22 candle opens out below the high of the 18 candle. We sweep the session's liquidity inside of a fair value gap. Hitting the consequent encroachment, 50%. Look, where are we longing? You could long either, look, at here, or you can wait for a real tight entry. You can wait for a real tight entry up here. Up here. Right here. You can wait for a real tight entry here. And look, now you're riding the entire expansion. Look, look, look. This whole day. Look, 2 a.m., 6 a.m., 14, zero drawdown. Zero. Zero drawdown. Zero. Do you understand, guys? Do you see the power of the model? Do you see the power of the model? The model's incredible, guys. Zero drawdown, none. You caught the entire expansion. Joshy boy, the Pit Vipers are out. Yeah, I'm feeling good today. He's been up for 3 days off the miles. Guys, I'm feeling electric today. Life's good. Do you see the power of the model? 6B too. Look, you guys are learning. I'm freaking guys, you guys are freaking learning. This is awesome. Yes. But do you want to know why? Do you want to know why 6B is invalid? Do you want to know why 6B is invalid? I'm going to tell you why. Look right here. Right here. Look right here. Do you want to know why 6B is invalid? The 22 candle closed above the 18 candle. Invalid. No good. It has to be a wick. It has to be a wick. If it's not a wick, you do not enter the trade. You need a 4-hour wick. Look. Do you see? 18 candle here. The 22 candle swept the session's liquidity, but you closed above it. Invalid. You don't trade it. You walk away. No, it's not candle outside. It's at 18. It's at the 22 candle closed above the 18 candle. It closed above it. Look. Do you see how we closed above? No good. Do not trade that. It closed above it. It doesn't matter that it didn't close above. It didn't matter that it didn't close above the 50% of the fair value gap. It closed above the 18 candle. It's immediately invalid. Immediately invalid. You don't care about anything else. You have to have every single confluence. You don't take, if you don't have 5 of the 5 confluences, you don't trade it. If you have 5 of the 6, you still don't trade it. You do not trade it. You freaking wait. You sit there and you wait. I know you guys want to trade every day. This is not valid. Although it worked out, right? That's great. That's so cool. If you want to take these trades, like I personally wouldn't. If you want to take these trades, you got to put on lower risk. Half risk. You guys got to go about it however you see fit. I can only give you some sauce. Like if you guys think that, okay, I got about 5 of the 6 criteria. Maybe I'll do like half size on this trade. If I get stopped, I'm not super mad about it. But I personally, I don't even trade it. I will just wait. I'm okay. I'm not trading today. Previous 60 entry also closed above 18. Correct. F around and find out. Correct. Oh, guys, can I also state something? Can I also state something, guys? Listen. Can I also state something? Let's see. Oh, big retracement here. Let's see the daily. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let me just state something. I personally, guys, do you guys care? He actually eats, drinks, and sleeps and stuff. Trust me. When he's with me, sometimes he gets a smack because he doesn't look up from his phone when I'm talking to him. Yeah. Ask Papa Gene. I am like... Guys, I'm like a lunatic with this. This is like my life. It's not like I'm a streamer. No, I'm a trader who streams. I'm not a streamer. I'm a trader who wants to share knowledge with you guys because that's where I make my money, guys. I'm not a streamer. I like streaming because I like connecting with you guys, but I'm a trader. I live, eat, breathe, sleep this stuff, man. Like, this is my life, bro. So, I'm super passionate. Okay, so guys, I want to state something. I think, as you guys know, this is the plan going forward on the streams, okay? I was taking scalp trades, okay? And I was talking to Taylor about this. I was taking scalp trades, and although I can be profitable scalping, I just don't like it, guys. I freaking hate it. And I was doing it for the streams. Like, if it wasn't for these streams, guys, I wouldn't scalp ever. Ever. I literally, like, I could be profitable scalping. It's just like, I'm going to tell you right now, it's still like is even though I could be in a profitable trade, guys, it still is a battle for me emotionally. Like it is for me to scalp. It's like it's hard on my emotions, man. When price action's moving that fast and I got to react that quick, it's just like when I'm on the 4 hour like this, I have so much time to react. So if you guys don't mind, I would like to focus on these 4 hour setups. Are you guys cool with that? Like that, I'm gonna be honest, guys. I've really been stepping away from scalping and focusing on these 4 hour trades, and it's just like I can be profitable scalping. It's just, guys, I hate it, man. I freaking hate it. I literally was doing it for you guys. I was doing it to get content. For like, to be honest, completely 100% transparent. I was scalping to get content for you guys and like try and build a profitable model around it. And I do have models that are successful. It's just like, guys, bad like scalping mentally is just like draining, bro. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's like, this is way less stressful. I'm focusing on 2 candles. Are you guys cool with that? 100% 4 hour. Yeah, Shakir, I'm telling you, man, I don't like it. Like, I'm just like, I can like be successful doing it. It's like, I really found myself only doing it for the stream, to be completely honest. I really did. Like, I don't enjoy it. It's too high stressed, it's too fast paced for me. It's like, guys, you gotta understand, I made all my money swing trading. All of it. Every single dime that I made was from swing trading. Even when I got my huge Apex payouts, I was trading the 30-minute model. I was trading off of the daily structure in the 30-minute model, and then I would take entries off of the 15 sometimes. But like, guys, I'm like a higher time frame trader, like through and through. Like, I'm trying to like fit into the narrative of like the other stream. Like, guys, let me go on a rant because I'm not trading today. Let me go on a rant. As like, I'm trying to fit in with the narrative of like the other streamers and like try. It's just like, guys, if you don't like the way that I trade and you don't like these 4 hour entries, I come to the point where like, yo, if you want to hang out here, like that's cool. If you want to see me like scalping, it's just like, I think I'm gonna step away from it, guys. I really prefer this, man. It really aligns with me more as a trader. This is the backbone of me. This is who I am. Like, this is how I made majority of my money. Like, I made multiple 6 figures swing trading higher time frames. This is my bread and butter, man. And I can really help you guys with this. But you just got to be a little bit more patient. You know, you can, and I'm gonna be honest, guys. We're buffering, guys. Guys, we're buffering. Guys, we're buffering. Hold on, I gotta type in the chat. Guys, we're buffering. Guys, we're buffering. We're on the crap Wi-Fi. What about the daily and 30-minute setup? I put to your strategy entry 30 minutes and backtesting it, reverse value gap into trend. It's working very nice. Yes, Eric, we trade that as well. 100%. But there hasn't been many entries for that. Like I said, guys, the entries are limited. The daily has to align. So I'm either looking for the Chart Fanatics video setup or this 4 hour setup. I do have the models that work on the lower time frames. I'm going to be honest, guys. It's just like, it's too much for me. I'll be completely honest. It's too stressful. And I've been doing this for a long time, guys. I've been trading for 6 years. And I have very good emotional control. It even gets me, man. And I'm on a 1 minute chart. It even still gets me. It gets me bad. It's just moving too fast. I have to react too quick. It's like, I like this. It's just so relaxed and chilled. And it's like, I'm not like an emotional mess. And I don't have to worry about the open. It's like, I'd rather come and I'm looking for a full daily expansion. I want the whole day. Instead of catching a small piece, I want to go in the 4 hour. I want to catch the whole day. So I'm getting in at 22 or the 2 a.m. candle, and I'm looking for the entire day's move. The whole day. Why don't I stream at 2 to 22 instead? Nicholas, I'm going to be completely honest with you. That's literally in the middle of the night. Taylor's sleeping. I'm sleeping. That is quite literally in the middle of the freaking night. How often does the H4 setups happen? Big D, the H4 setups happen a lot. And when we're looking for when we're looking for news, especially with the amount of pairs that we're trading here, we get some pretty good setups. You know, it depends. Sometimes you'll have to wait a week for a setup. It's just, guys, did you bag your NQ longs? F around and find out. I'm still holding. So Apex allows for swing trading during the day. The range game, yeah. So what I'm doing on my Apex accounts is I'm trading 4-hour expansions, and I'm exiting at the end of the 14 candle. So the 14 candle is 2 p.m. So the latest I'm holding my trades until is 2 p.m. The absolute latest. You can hold your trades until I think it's 5 o'clock, or it might be 4 for Apex. I don't know if it's 4 or 5 for Apex. But yeah, watching here from Philippines. Heck yeah, man. Oh, can you ask Tyler to show his NQ swing trade entry? Okay, yeah, I could do that. This was my swing entry. Boom. This was my swing entry. Okay. Look, this was my entry here. This is a model I didn't share yet with you guys. This is a model I didn't share yet. Okay, guys, I have a few higher time frame models. Like I'm well versed, guys. I didn't drop this. I didn't drop the sauce on this one yet. Do you guys want to know it? I'll share it. For a small fee. You gotta like the stream, and I'll share the setup. This is what, if you guys remember what we talked about. This is the fake inversion setup. Ready? All our EMAs are stacking. We're above the 200. 50 EMA, 100 EMA, 200 EMA. Looking scrum-diddly-umptious. We're looking scrumptious here. What do we see? We're outside the Bollinger Band. All our EMAs are stacking. The 5, the 9, the 13, the 15. We get a fair value gap print here, right? Look, on July 3rd, the July 3rd candle is a fair value gap. What happens after the fair value gap is, so after the July 4th candle closes, that officially initiates the fair value gap. The July 7th candle closes, it opens here and closes through the fair value gap, creating an inversion, right? Now follow me here. The candle after, it has to be the candle right after the fair value gap, the inversion, reclaims this fair value gap. Reclaims it right away. That's A+. Ready? You're waiting. Now you wait. You set a limit order on the fair value gap, right? Your stop loss is below the candle low of the reclaimed fair value gap candle. So the July 8th candle, this might, look, I'm literally in this trade right now. My stop loss was here. Look at how tight my stop is. And look at the runner. Look at the run. 1 to 20R. 1 to 20R. Guys, don't take my word for it. I'm up literally $11,000 right now on 6 micros. The king of swing. 1 to 20R. Look at my stop. Look at how tight it is. Look at how tight the stop is. You go break even. Hold on. You go break even when you get a close above this candle's high. So this is my break even. Look, when I have a close here, you see this candle close? So this candle closed above this high. I'm break even here. July 17th, risk-free trade. I'm literally up $11,000 on 6 micros. Guys, do you see the power of the models, guys? People could talk all the smack, work on all pairs. It works on Big D. I trade this on NQ, ES, and gold. You could listen. I haven't back tested it on the other pairs yet. It very well should, and it could. Just go and back test it. I trade this on ES, NQ, and gold. Works on all 3 of those. Very, very good, insane setup. It doesn't happen too often, guys, especially on the daily chart. I just happen to, like I said, I happen to get in when the markets were aligning. You know, it doesn't happen very often on the daily chart. But when you do get this set up, it's very powerful, man. Very powerful. And then, yeah, okay. Do you see how it happened here? Okay, look, I'll show you another model. It happened here. Look, fair value gap, right? Inversion, immediately reclaimed. This was invalid because, look, the Monday, June 9th candle didn't tag us. The candle after the reclaimed fair value gap has to tag you. If it doesn't tag you on the limit, you cancel the order. You would have got stopped here. You would have got stopped. Do you see how you would have got stopped? That would have been a stop out. That would have been... I didn't share this model yet. This has to tag you on the next candle. All these little things freaking matter, man. All of it. I know it sounds stupid. It's like, oh, but you could have waited. No. It has to tag you on the next candle. If it doesn't, it's invalid. Do you want to see some of my other swings? I'm gonna show you some of my other ones. Here's one of my biggest RR trades. Ready? Okay. Above the 200 EMA. Although these EMAs aren't stacking, look, fair value gap. This is the Trident pattern. Fair value gap, right? Closing in. Look, 50% rejection. This is the Trident pattern right here. 1, 2, 3. 50% rejection, right? I'm entering limit order here on top of the fair value gap. Stop loss below the body low of this candle. Or you could do this, the fair value gap, whichever one you prefer. Look, super tight stop, and you're holding this. You hold this trade. Look at this. Look at the R. 1 to 50. 1 to 50. I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. Look, you want to see more? You want to see more? Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. You want to see another one? Here, to anyone who thinks that I don't catch RR trades. Ready? Here's another one. Look, above the 200 EMA, 500, 50 EMA, 100 EMA. All our EMAs are stacking. Look, here's the Trident pattern. Ready? Fair value gap, May 6th. 1, 2, 3. We reject the 50% of this fair value gap. Close outside the range. Get tagged. Stop below the fair value gap. Let's see where this ran to. Oh, yeah. What do you look at? What do you know? Another 1 to 50. Another 1 to 50! Who's doing it like me? Who's doing that? Who's dropping sauce like that? Nobody. Who's dropping sauce like that? You guys have seen it. I do it over and over and over again. I do it all the time. I don't want to hear anybody, I don't want to hear people in the comments saying, oh, you can't have a high RR and high win rate. Shut up. I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. I got it like that. I got the sauce. Oh, get tagged, meaning like I set the limit order. I set the limit order on the fair value gap, meaning you're getting tagged in the trade. It's initiating the trade. Sorry, we'll backtest. Backtest this, guys. Backtest it. Bella's in here. Bella's in here. Bella, check out my new camera, Bella. Check out my new camera. Bella, are you seeing this? Are you seeing my new camera? Are you seeing my new camera, Bella? This thing is sweet. I didn't, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Do you guys want to know something? I'm gonna be completely honest. Yesterday, I couldn't figure out how to turn it on. Taylor had. Babe, come here. Babe, come here. Okay, guys. Okay, this is Taylor. Taylor. Okay.
I haven't even been up a minute.
Yeah. Well, it's delayed a little.
Oh.
Okay, guys. I couldn't figure out how to turn this on yesterday. I was clicking this red button. I go, babe, I don't think it's working. She goes, are you kidding me? And she goes, oh, you have to turn it on by this little thing here. Look, guys, it's on now. I figured it out. I'm so stupid. It's cool though, right, babe? This thing's badass.
And tell them why we can't use it.
Oh yeah, I don't have a memory card yet, guys. I can't use it. I can't use it yet, guys, because I don't have a memory card. I have to get one. It says I can't take photos, no memory. That's so dumb. Why do you need a memory card? Why can't it just be in here? I don't know, guys. Like I said, I'm a trader. I'm not a podcaster. I'm just now getting into this. So you close at 2 p.m. no matter what. So you close at 2 p.m. The rage game, like I said. Oh, guys, she is the brains. Without a doubt. So you close at 2 p.m. no matter what. The rage game, you can monitor the trade however you see fit. I'm not going to tell you how to monitor your trades. Everyone's different, and you could have a smaller take profit. You could run stops to BE. Go through your back testing and run it however you want. I could show you an entry model. But just if you want to monitor the trade however you want. Bella, I'm trying to go look at Bella, you didn't see my new microphone. Bella just got here. Bella, check out my new microphone. Sweet. Hold on, guys. I need to get something real quick because I'm sweating.
You're sweating?
Yeah.
It's freezing.
I'm sweating. Bella! Bella, I'm literally sweating, so I'm using my Apex Trader Funding. I'm using my Apex Trader Funding fans, which I thought, guys, I thought these were literally a mouse pad. I thought these were a mouse pad, and I've been using them as a mouse pad, but they're fans, and they're very hot. Can we do H4 or H1? Shakir, you could do whatever you want. Backtest the model. Take some of my entry criteria and backtest it. You could, if you want to get more of an intraday play, go ahead. Do whatever you guys want. You have to go and put the work in yourself. You have to. That's something I can't teach you. You have to go in, like, come to my stream and take some notes and be like, okay, Tyler was showing this. If he's profitable, maybe I can get some more entries on a lower time frame. Let me backtest it. You gotta go and do the work. You gotta go and do the work yourself. Look, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. You guys got to. You have to. You have to go and do the work yourself. It's a fan. It's a fan. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, my Apex accounts are looking great. Well, they're looking good. They're looking good. I had a solid week this week. The Apex accounts are looking healthy. I'll say that. Wait, listen. We're going to take these accounts to $1 million payout on this live. To $1 million. Look, this is Apex Trader Funding's number one streamer right here. Tyler John. Number one streamer. Number one streamer. Tyler John. They don't have the fans, guys, look. Guys, look. They don't got these. They don't got these. I got them. What would you suggest? Funding next futures or Apex? F around and find out. What are we even talking about here? What are we even talking about here? Apex all day. All day. 20 accounts? 20 accounts? Of course. F around and find out. Do I have funded next accounts? Yeah, of course. Of course, I trade both. Why not both? F around and find out. Why limit yourself? But if you had to pick, Apex all day. The GOATs, the kings of the industry, 500 million in payouts. Use the best code TG Capital. The best code. I think they're only, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I think it's only at 50% off right now. So I would hold off on, let me check. I gotta check the website. I think it's only 50% off. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think, oh yeah. Okay. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought.
We're saying that.
What was I saying, babe?
We're saying that they should wait to get.
Oh yeah, you should wait until they drop like a nice little sale, and then run it up using the best code TG Capital. Okay. Funded next is not. Yeah, I mean, listen. One thing about Apex, you follow the rules, you'll get paid. I get paid every 2 days. Look, even on weekends. Even on weekends, 2 days, I get paid out. Even on a Sunday. I got 40 grand on a Sunday. Who's doing that? Does the 4-hour strategy work in Forex pairs? Yes, it does. Friday night, funky Friday night. Do some backtesting as well. Do some backtesting. F around and find out. I have 6 of the 50K rapid accounts. 6 of the 50K rapids. Shakir, I'm going to make a full video with Christian on the PO3 actually on Monday. On Monday, we're going to make a full video. Tyler, for your 30-minute swing entry model, is there a certain time price has to tag your limit order for it to be valid? Logan, great question. You have to be entered into the trade prior. The last candle that could tag you into the trade is 6:30 a.m. At 7 a.m., you're done. You do not trade the 7 a.m. candle. 6:30 a.m. Very good question, Logan. And Logan, you've been doing a freaking phenomenal job, bro. Probably the best I've seen out of anybody trading my model. For sure. You're doing the best. You're absolutely crushing it. Crushing it, dude. Very proud of you. You're using wealth charts, Trade-Evade, or Rhythmic? I'm using wealth charts. I'm using wealth charts. I also, guys, on the 90% off sale, I bought 20 for Trade-Evade and I'm keeping those as reserves. And those I almost passed those. So I have the regular accounts, and then I'll have reserves as well. So yeah. Nothing better than Apex, man. I need that. That's my bread and butter. That's my baby. That's the majority of my prop income is from Apex. They're the GOATs, the best. How often a month do such scrumptious entries present themselves on the ES and NQ? Well, Kwaku, you talking about the 4 hour? Depends. It depends on market conditions. It could be more, it could be less. We're only trading red folder news, but you could trade ES, YM, the Russell. This works on crude oil. It works on silver. It works on 6E, 6B, 6J, 6C, and it also works on, I don't know why it's not here, but it also works on 6N as well. But yeah, works on all these. I've done all the back testing already, all of it. But like I said, guys, my back testing and your back testing could be entirely different. So go and back test yourself. Take some of the models and then go and back test the model. You have to. You have to on your own. Your thoughts on SPX this morning? There's no trades for me today at all. None. I'm not taking a single trade. I will not be involved in the market. Nothing. My time has passed. Look, I needed an entry between the 22 or the 2 a.m. candle. I don't trade. There's no trades. Now you can just chill. Like when I get off here, I'm going to have a nice cup of Joe. Well, not a cup of Joe, an iced coffee. And then I'm going to watch some of my streamers. And I'm obviously going to hang out with my fans. If you know what I mean. I'm hanging out with my fans. Literally my fans. Other than Chart Fanatics, where is your models, bro? I can't see it on YouTube or X. Guys, I haven't shared all my sauce yet. I haven't shared everything. I haven't shared it all. Okay? I have some sauce that I haven't shared just yet. You know? I'm keeping this. There's another big announcement coming. I haven't said it yet. Bella knows it. Taylor knows it. Papa Gene, I think, knows it. And yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say what's up to you guys. Because I'm not trading. I think, guys, to be honest, I'm probably gonna cut this a little early today. I just tether with the OnlyFans. Yeah, I know. I'm probably gonna cut this stream a little early because I'm not gonna trade. And yeah, I'm thinking about potentially just making a free Discord where we could just all hang out and just talk. Would you guys like that, to like hang out like the boys? Just the boys. We could hang out with these cool fans, like a free Discord. Just like, you know, it doesn't always have to be about trading. Like, you could send me pictures of what you guys are doing on the weekend, or like, what you guys like to eat, or like going to the gym and stuff. Like, would you guys like that? I don't know. Wouldn't be paid, just free. Everything's free. Would just be free for us to hang out and, you know, share some setups, share some insights, you know, just for the boys and girls. Just free stuff to hang out, chill. You know, would you guys hang out with me there? I don't want to make one and then nobody can be there hanging out. I'm talking to myself, you know. I don't want to be in there speaking to myself. I'm gonna have to have Taylor in there just to talk to me, to keep me busy. It's gonna be me in the Discord only, just hanging out by myself. All right. We'll share. All right, cool. All right, I'll get it done, guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't even know how to make one. How do I even make one? I don't even know. I'm going to have to YouTube it. Alright, I love you guys. You guys are the best. Oh, wait. Let's do a giveaway. Hold on, let's do a giveaway. Let me get my Nightbot up here. Hold on here. Do you guys want a giveaway? Because Apex isn't running any sales right now, so... Well, I think they are, but it's nothing significant. Let's get you guys hold on. Let me log in here. Oh, I gotta log in. You know what? I'm just gonna pick someone. I'm picking someone. Forget it. I'm picking someone. I'm not doing the Nightbot. Hold on. I'm picking someone, guys. I said I'm picking someone. Okay. Who needs an account in here? How many likes are we at, babe?
I don't know. Every time I go in, it makes
Okay.
me sad.
Guys, how many likes are we at? How many likes are we at? Let me know. $45. All right, I already know the two people I'm gonna pick. Just based off of what? Oh, see, the bingo bango bongo just got me. I wasn't gonna pick Matt G, but now after saying that, all right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 3 accounts because I love you guys. And Bella's good to me. And if I ask Bella for more accounts, this is who I'm picking. There's no numbers. This is who I'm picking. Ready? First one, F around and find out. Lucky winner number 1. Winner number 2, Dario, my Italian brethren. And winner number 3, Matty G, because he said bingo, bango, bongo, and he was the first one to do it. All three of you, message me on Twitter. You have to have a Twitter, and you have to hit me in the DM and say, bingo, bango, bongo, and I'll know that it's you and that you were here for the stream. You have to say bingo, bango, bongo in all capitals. If you don't, you forfeit your access to the free account. You forfeit your access. You have to DM me on Twitter and say bingo, bango, bongo within 24 hours, and you'll get your account. I get 3-way accounts. Dario, Matty G, and F around and find out, because F around and find out is my boy. Those are the 3 winners. I'm hopping off. Listen, tomorrow, we got big earnings today. We got NFP, and I'm buffering. I know. Okay, guys, let me wrap this up because we're buffering. Some of my best trading days are on NFP. I catch some of the largest expansions in the market on those days. We could potentially catch an absolute banger tomorrow. We could catch an absolute banger. Some of my best trading days are CPI and NFP. Everyone tells you to stay away from them. It's like because they're trading on the lower time frames. Normally, NFP and CPIs are dead giveaway trades, man. Like, they'll be aligning. They'll be home runs. So, some of my best trades are on NFP and CPI. I do the exact opposite of what people do. So, tomorrow could potentially be an absolute banger. Some of my best days are NFP week, and some of my best trades are NFP, CPI, PPI, unemployment claims. All the red folder news days are my best days based on my back testing. So we could have a huge day tomorrow. Until tomorrow, your boys clocking out. Everyone who won, message me on Twitter. Love you guys. Until tomorrow. Hold on. Until tomorrow.